Hi guys, my name is Jordan Harris. I'm the Product Development Manager here at WakeUpNow. I was asked today to come and talk to you guys a little bit about some of the products that we offer at WakeUpNow. So I'm going to take you through those, show you some of them on our website, give you guys a good overview of what we offer at WakeUpNow, what the value is, and what you can look forward to for being a customer of WakeUpNow. The first product we offer here at WakeUpNow is WakeUpNow Finance. So we're going to go ahead and load that up. Now, WakeUpNow Finance is a personal financial management tool. This is somewhere where you can track your expenses and you can get a clear overview of where your money is going every month. Kind of the process is you get an overview of where your money's going, then you budget to try and save money, and then we've got some tools that will help you save money and figure out how to pay off your debt in the most efficient manner. And now, as we're here, you see that this is the dashboard. This gives you a quick overview of where your finances are. So from the last time you've been in, you can see your 30-day cash flow, what's happening with your finances. This is the quick overview. So let's close out of this. Let's go ahead and go up to accounts. Now, one of the great features about WakeUpNow Finance, you can automatically aggregate your accounts to track your expenses for you. So no more manually entering all your accounts, no more sitting there and trying to make sure that you put in all the right amounts and all the different store names. It'll automatically do that for you. So all you have to do is hit add account. And you're going to see you can add any type of account. So if I want checkings or savings, if I want a credit card, if I want a mortgage, a loan, property, investments, whatever I need to add, you can add anything you want on WakeUpNow Finance. So let's click checking and savings real quick. Now you see here it's got a couple suggestions of the big banks, but let's say I use Chase Financial. I'm going to type Chase up in the top and go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to search for you, and you can see Chase Bank right there. So I click on Chase, put in my user ID and password that I used to bank online, and I hit add institution, and it's going to bring in all my accounts for me. So all your transactions in real time, they're going to start coming in. So I go out and spend on my Chase account, it's going to pop up right there, and it's going to do a good job of trying to automatically categorize what those expenses are. Now you can always change them, so if it comes in and you see a purchase from a store and you say, actually half of that was business, half of that was for my home gardening, you can split that account, you can split that transaction, so you make sure that you can budget those and put them in the right way. So let's go ahead and go back. Now about that, once you have these accounts tied up, go ahead and hit cancel, and let's go up to spending. Once your accounts are in, you can then get a real clear overview of where your spending is going every month. So this pie chart right here is going to break down your spending. You can see right here, if I click food right here, food and dining, you can see 44% of my budget this month went towards food and dining. So I want to find out why that is. That's a big portion of my budget. And you're going to see on the right-hand side, it's going to bring in all your transactions for you and show you exactly what you spent to make up that portion of your budget. So this is about finding where your money's going, because you need a clear overview in order to find places where you can save money. So once you found a place that you think you could maybe save a little bit of money, I look at that and say, okay, if I stop eating out 7 days a week, I can save a little bit of money by doing that. So what you do is you go to the budgets tool. And the budget tool is super simple. This is an easy budget tool. And probably my favorite feature of the budget tool is you don't have to look at it every day to keep up with it. So if you have some time at the beginning of the month, you can start to set your own budgets, and WakeUpNow Finance will email you when you're in that last 25% of your budget, and it'll also email you when you go over your budget. So you can make sure that you're not going over your budget, and it gives you a reminder if you're somebody who's not good at checking your finances every day, which is a lot of us. Okay, it'll give you a way to check in with it and get an update as to where you're doing on your budget throughout the month. Now you can see here, I've got an entertainment budget of $100. It tells me right now I've already spent 75 of it. So I can quickly and easily get an overview of where my money's going. Now once you set your budgets for the month, the idea is to try and find some places where you can save a little bit of money. And once we find that money, what we want to do with that is pay off our debts. We all want to get out of debt. We want to get out of debt in the most efficient way. Well, this debts tool up here is going to help us do that in the most efficient manner. Now, so let me tell you a little bit about this. The debts tool, how it works is it's going to look at all the different debts that you have. So right now you can see that I have a credit card that has a $1,250 balance. I've got a credit card that has a $1,500 balance, and then I have my mortgage that I need to pay off. Well, each of those have different interest rates. It gets confusing. With my $1,250 balance, it's got a 22% interest rate. In my $1,500 balance, it's got a 21% interest rate. Which do I pay off first? Where should I put my money? Do I split it and try and pay them both off? Well, this program is going to tell you how to pay it off in the most efficient manner. Now you can see it's already reordered my debts for me. It tells me that the most efficient manner for me is to pay off my Visa card first. And by putting an extra $100 towards that debt each month, you can see that I'm going to save myself $80 in 8 months of payoff time, and I'm going to get that knocked out in September 2012 instead of April 2013. And after I knock that out, I can move on to my other credit card and start paying that off. And once I have that paid off, then I'll start putting that extra money towards my mortgage to help me save the most money over time. So this is all about efficiency. This is about paying your debt off in the most efficient manner. So this is a great tool. This is one that a lot of people go to accountants to take care of them for them. Well, this is included for you in WakeUpNow Finance. So we're going to go back home and we're going to go to our next product. Now our next one is WakeUpNow Deduction. Now WakeUpNow Deduction is a small business tax deduction software. So this is designed for you to be able to find all the deductions that you can take as an owner of a small business to save you money at the end of the year on your taxes. Now when you come in, you're going to see that you're going to get the My Business setup. So if we go up to the top and click Settings and go down to the bottom, you're going to see My Business setup. Now this is what you would see when you come into WakeUpNow Deduction for the first time. So let's go ahead and click it. You're going to see this the first time you come in. And one of the parts that we really like about WakeUpNow Finance, probably my favorite feature of this, is it doesn't just tell you how to take your deductions. It doesn't just say, hey, you can take an automobile deduction. It tells you exactly what you can take and explains to you why you can take that. That's probably the most powerful part of WakeUpNow Deduction, is that it explains to you and gives you the power and gives you confidence in knowing what you're taking your deductions for. So if I'm somebody who's never done my taxes before, but I'm a small business owner, at this point I know very little about deductions. I know that I can get some write-offs for my car, but I don't really understand how they work. Well, this is going to explain it to you. So it's going to talk to you about declaring your car for business use. It's going to talk to you about how you deduct mileage, what you can credit for. So it really educates the user so that at the end of the year, they can go and feel confident in doing their taxes that they've done everything right. We know that a common fear is people, they don't want to get audited. People don't want to have to go and make a bigger mess of their taxes than they can if they just went to an accountant. Well, this tool helps simplify everything for you so you can feel confident in using it. At the end of the year, you're going to have your taxes done right, and you're going to make sure that you're understanding why you did your taxes that way. So let's go back home to the home of WakeUpNow Deduction. Great, so you can see from here, again, I talk about the simplicity of this program because it is very simple. There's not a lot of things that you have to try and figure out to get it done. If I need to log my mileage, I'm going to click on the car and log my mileage. It's pretty simple. If I'm going to record my income, it's as simple as clicking on the Record Income button, and I can start to put these in. Now, just like WakeUpNow Finance, you can add a bank account to this. So if I'm somebody that wants my transactions automatically brought in, I can do that, and I can quickly and easily go through those and categorize them as what they are. I can go through, I can see all my spending. It's like, okay, that was a meal. Categorize it here. That's a marketing expense. Categorize it here. So it's quick. It's quick and easy for you to get through your finances to make sure that you understand where you're going, and you can make sure you take all the deductions possible. There's also some real-time feedback letting you know what your tax savings is as you go through and you enter your account information. So a great feature. This is something that gives the small business owner a lot of power and gives you a lot of opportunity to be able to save money on your taxes year over year. Let's go back home. The next product I want to talk to you about is WakeUpNow Protect. Now, in the product development department, we've been tasked with making the lives of our customers better. That's what we do every day. We look at different ways that we can make their lives better. One of the things that we found was that ID theft and computer security is something that's on the rise in terms of how many problems people are having with it. So we went out and we partnered with a great company to be able to provide ID theft protection and computer security software. So you see it's pretty easy right here. I can click Access My Account, and I'm logged into WakeUpNow. I click Access My Account, and from here, all I need to do is start putting in my personal information. And this is all over secure connection. These are all the SSL compliant secure connections. So what I'm going to do is put in my information here, and it's a couple steps, and my ID is starting to be monitored. So that's monitoring my ID for theft. If there's any abnormalities with it, any inconsistencies in anything having to do with my ID, you're going to get alerted to that. In addition to that, if something did happen, we have recovery services that we offer you. You also get $25,000 worth of ID theft insurance to make sure that when you're using this, when you're part of WakeUpNow, you have that peace of mind that comes with knowing that your identity is safe. The second part of this is you also get computer security software. So we've all been there. We've all bought a computer, and you've gotten the default antivirus that's on there, and it's going to bug you every year until you get rid of the computer to upgrade to the paid version or renew your license. Nobody wants to deal with that. So as a member of WakeUpNow, you get access to some great computer security software. And one of our favorite features of WakeUpNow Protect is it's all backed by very knowledgeable live support. So that means if you're somebody who's installing the software on your computer and you don't fully understand how to do it, or you don't know how to remove your old antivirus software, that's okay. You can call in and talk to them, and they're going to walk you through that. They're going to take you step by step and get that old software off for you, get the new one up and running to make sure your computer's secure. Now, we're doing a lot on our computers nowadays. Everybody's using it for banking. Like you can see, we use it for banking. You do a lot of different things with your computer that it's a lot of sensitive information. It's very important to make sure the computer's protected, and that's why we've brought this into our suite of products to be able to offer, is because we see the value in that. We see the value in making sure that your home computer is protected. So this is something that you get for being a customer of WakeUpNow, and we think it's a great product for you to have. Let's go back home again. Now, Wake Up Now Newsstand is great. So the Wake Up Now Newsstand, it offers you 1-year magazine subscriptions based on your package. So if you're a silver member, you get 1. If you're a gold member, you get 2. And if you're a platinum member, you get 3 magazine subscriptions for a year. And that's at no additional cost to you. Now, a lot of the magazines offer, sometimes you've seen them where they say, hey, you get a free magazine, but give us your credit card information and we're going to automatically bill you at the end of that for your next year. It's not like that at Wake Up Now. You don't get automatically billed. You just get free magazines. There's no strings attached. So it's pretty easy. You come through here, you're going to select your magazines that you like, and then you're going to hit place order. And in 6 to 8 weeks, you're going to see your magazines start showing up at your house, and it's going to continue for a year. At the end of the year, if you like that magazine, you can resubscribe to it at no additional cost, and you can start getting it again for another year. If you'd like to try out some of our other magazines, feel free, because you're going to get a chance every year to add a new subscription, and you're always going to get yourself some free magazines for being a part of Wake Up Now. Now, the next thing I'd like to talk about is the Wake Up Now Rewards package. Now, anyone who takes advantage of the Wake Up Now AutoPay program gets access to Wake Up Now Rewards. Now, what Wake Up Now Rewards is it's a bunch of different programs that we have that are designed to save you money. The first one is the Wake Up Now Mall. So let's click on that and go into here. Now, the Wake Up Now Mall is all about saving you money on the things that you're going to buy online. So what happens is you get cash back for any purchase that you make online. So these are a lot of big name stores too. These aren't the no-name stores with products that you don't want. These are big name stores like Target.com, Barnes & Noble, Apple iTunes, a lot of different big name stores of places you're already going to spend your money. You're going to get the percentage of your purchase back as cash to you for going through the Wake Up Now Mall. Now let's click on one of the stores. Let's click on Barnes & Noble right here. So you can see Barnes & Noble is going to offer me 5.25% cash back for going through the Wake Up Now Mall. Now, is it a hard process? Well, we'll show you how easy it is. Go ahead and click on the link up top. And it's going to take me to the Barnes & Noble website. Now, from here, all I do is shop. It's as simple as that. For that extra 10-second step to click on the Barnes & Noble link through the Wake Up Now Mall, I'm getting 5.25% back on anything I buy from here. Now, this is one that I've used for Christmas purchases before. I went through here and made purchases for my dad for Christmas. These are things I was already going to buy, and I got a percentage back as cash for just going through the Wake Up Now Mall. So it's an easy to use feature, and it's something that doesn't take a lot of time to use. So let's go back to the mall real quick. I'm going to show you probably one of the coolest features of the Wake Up Now Mall. Now up here you see product search. So let's say, I had somebody in here the other day and they said they were looking for a baby crib. And they said, well, can I save money on that through Wake Up Now? Well, so we went in here, we typed in baby crib, and we hit search. Now what you're going to see is this went through and it searched all our different stores, and it brought up every store that offered a baby crib. Now you can see here we got Sears.com, we got Target.com, there's Overstock.com offers some. And it's going to show you all these different cribs that we have to offer. And it's going to compare their prices for you, what the stores offer them for. It's also going to show you what percentage of cash back you get. So it's a one-stop shop for comparing prices and seeing how much you can save to be able to find the lowest price in whatever you're looking for. Now it's not just baby cribs that you can get either. You can get electronics, you can get organic food, you can get really anything you think of through this Wake Up Now Mall, and you can save money on doing it. Now again, at Wake Up Now, we're big on not making you change your habits. We don't want you to have to go and shop somewhere that you don't like to shop. And that's why we brought in over 2,000 merchants into the Wake Up Now Mall to offer you all the stores that you're already shopping at to be able to save money. So that's the Wake Up Now Mall. Now one of the great perks of the Wake Up Now Mall, if you're a Platinum member, is you get access to the Wake Up Now Mall Platinum Edition. Now what the Wake Up Now Mall Platinum Edition offers you is a link to the mall that you can share with your friends and family. Now your friends and family can go and get cash back, and so they can shop and save money as well. But the difference is you, for referring them to your Wake Up Now Mall Platinum Edition, get a commission for each of their purchases. So it's a way for them to save money, and it's a way for you to make money by sharing that link with them. So that's a great feature that you get for being a part of our Platinum package. Now let's go back home and let's talk a little bit about Wake Up Now Travel. Now Wake Up Now Travel works very similar to how the Wake Up Now Mall works. We've went out and we worked out relationships with different travel companies to be able to offer you cash back for your purchases through them. So Hotels.com, Expedia.com, Hotwire.com, all these different websites that are already pulling together the best deals, now you can get cash back on top of it. So this is a great feature for a lot of people. They got to travel, and everybody knows that the best deals are on those websites already. That's where you're going to go and find the best deal. Well, now on top of that, you're going to get cash back for your purchase. So you are finding the lowest price for travel on the internet. So a great feature that you get for being a part of Wake Up Now. Let's go back home real quick again. One of the most popular features of Wake Up Now is discounts on your cell phone bill. So you can get 22% saving on your cell phone bill every month just for being a part of Wake Up Now. Now everybody needs a cell phone now. It's just part of business. It's something that we got to have. Well, you can save money for it through Wake Up Now. You can get a 22% saving on your phone bill. Now, this is a great thing that we have to offer. And again, we talk about Wake Up Now. We always want to save you money on the things that you're already buying. Everybody's already paying for a cell phone. We want to save you money on that. And well, not the last right now, but the last one we'll talk about today is the Wake Up Now deals. So you get access to local deals, local discounts at merchants all over the world. So that means, let's say that I'm somebody who, I don't like to clip coupons, but I want to save money at a store. So I want to walk into a store and I like to save money at that store that I like to shop at in my neighborhood. Well, I don't like to clip coupons. Well, that's okay. We developed an iPhone app for you that you can take into a store and show them that discount and they can hit redeem. And just like that, you've saved money at the place that you like to shop in your neighborhood. So you don't have to change your habits. You don't have to go out and go to the Mexican restaurant down the street because they offer the discount. You can go to the one that you like. You can set up with them and get the discount at the places that you like to eat and be able to save money. And for us at Wake Up Now, we believe that's true savings. When you can save money on the things you're already doing, for us, that's true savings. And that's what our focus is at Wake Up Now. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to let me come and give you a little bit of a high-level overview of some of the products we offer. We could spend about an hour on each of these and go in depth and show you all the cool things, but you'll see access to that in later trainings that we do. So I appreciate the time today, guys. If you guys have any questions, you can always call our customer support. You can email us, or you can chat with us live on our website. Appreciate the time, guys. Thanks.